When you search your topic in a prominent database, you'll probably come across some .edu sites no matter what. But there is a way to zero in on them, and that's what this video is all about. In your search, designate not only your topic, the subject and keywords that you're using, but also the phrase cite::.edu. In such a search, it's likely that you're going to come across some scholarly articles that are showcased on a university's website. Oftentimes, you can identify scholarly articles by their titles, but certainly by the fact that the link will take you to a PDF file. You may also pick up on author attribution, a citation number, so this is indicating how many times this particular article has been cited by other researchers, and related articles as well. This is really helpful if you're in need of a scholarly article. In clicking on PDF files, you may also come across dissertations. So these are super credible as they are the work that a person does to earn their PhD, their terminal degree. However, they do tend to be incredibly long. The positive here is that they do have tables of contents, so you can pick and choose what you want to read within this expansive text. You may also come across some undergraduate research papers like this one, which seems to have won third place in an academic competition. And of course, you'll come across undergraduate writing for articles in university newspapers. So like this one, as I scroll down, I can see that it is written by a first-year student, just like you guys. So in each case, you need to weigh out the credibility and experience of the author, the credibility of the site, and of course you're always keeping in mind what is best for your paper. What sort of information do you need at this stage in the research process? For my topic, the cite::.edu search yields some okay results, but to show you the full potential of this kind of search, let me use one of your topics, concussions in football. So early on in this search, I am getting what seems to be a study that is coming out of the University of Washington medicine program. So this is like reading a scholarly article that is ultra light. It's the reportings of faculty research for the public at large. In this search, I've also come across an infographic that was created by Ohio University's online Master of Athletic Administration program. So this maybe has less relevance for a research paper, but certainly is something to file away and keep in mind for a documentary film. I'm finding news articles that don't necessarily highlight a recent study, but the information is coming from such a prestigious place that there is automatic credibility behind the words. So in this case, from Yale Medicine. Or combining the idea of faculty research with news articles from universities of prestige. Here we have an interview with a professor who is starting a study that's coming out of the University of Iowa. Especially since Iowa doesn't have a professional football team, the University of Iowa Hawkeyes enjoy a fan base comparable to that of NFL teams. I think you get the idea, whether it's coming from the Midwest or from the far Pacific Ocean, or whether it's closer to home at UNC Chapel Hill. Education sites have a lot to offer you, your research process, and your paper. As always, thanks for your time in watching and best of luck with your searching.